Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete chats on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram has a private chat features in which you have complete control over which chats you want to keep and delete, just like the rest of messaging services. You can delete chats if your inbox is getting too full or if you have any unwanted chats. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap the direct message icon in the upper right corner of the screen. On the chat base, long tap on the chat you would like to delete. Tap on Delete. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.